A low-pressure system trekking in from the prairies will bring a risk of strong thunderstorms, with damaging wind and tornado potential, to southern Ontario Thursday. Environment Canada has issued a severe thunderstorm watch for this afternoon and into this evening. They say conditions are favourable to storms to develop with strong wind gusts up to 100 km per hour, hail up to toonie size, heavy rainfall of 30 to 50 mm in some areas, and there is even the risk of a tornado.